Hey guys, welcome back. So far, we have learned the basics of HTML5 video. In the last video, I forgot to teach you the poster property. Let's understand it quickly. For that, let me remove this autoplay attribute and let's check it on browser. As you can see, it is completely black. To improve the user experience, we should show the video thumbnail when the video is not played. It can be done by adding the poster property here, poster, and let me paste this link here. Actually, it's a random image just for the testing purpose. In the real-time project, you should use the corresponding thumbnail images. Okay, let's check it out quickly. Yeah, that's great. Okay, that's how it works. Last week, I have created a hype that we are going to create a YouTube-like player. Hope you guys will be eagerly waiting for that. So don't worry, I will not disappoint you. But it's a process. It will not come up in a single day. Follow this video series completely and you will learn it. We have two options to make a powerful video player. One is doing everything from the scratch on our own. Another one is by using the resources which is already available. As I always quote, don't reinvent the wheel unless you want to learn more about that. Today we are not going to reinvent the wheel. I'm going to introduce you Video.js, which can handle the most professional use cases. Many top companies such as Microsoft, Dropbox, GitHub, Twitter, even Instagram, and many more companies are using this Video.js in their products. It can be able to take care of all the browser incompatibilities, and it will handle different screen sizes, which means you need not to worry about responsive videos anymore. So your videos will be optimized for all kinds of screens, starting from the large display monitors like mine, and TVs, PC monitors, laptops, tablets, and your phones too. Most importantly, it's completely free and open source. Just navigate to Video.js and learn further. Okay, so you can spend some time on this page to learn more about this Video.js. Okay, first things first, let me show you how can we use it. Click on this Use Now button and let's copy this CSS CDN and paste it here. If you want to support older browsers, you need to copy this line also, like IE8 and older browsers. Okay, and one more thing, this is JavaScript API. Okay, this is JavaScript CDN. It's good to go. Let's give it a shot. Okay, I don't see anything. It's because the setup is not done completely. In order to inherit the CSS properties, we need to add this class Video.js. I'm sorry, this one, Video.js. And most importantly, we need to add this attribute data setup equal to curly braces. It is mandatory even if we are not passing any values to it. You can pass any values here. Let's see that later. It's time to check whether this Video.js is activated or not. Okay, something happened here. I can able to see the play button here, which is little weird. Okay, let's play the video. Okay, we got a play button here, which is nice, and a volume controller. Actually, this seek bar is so good. Hey, wow, we are getting picture-in-picture support. Actually, I didn't see this before. Anyways, that's a great addition. And a full screen button. Also, you can customize this skin however you want, just by modifying the CSS properties. On this web page, you can able to see the video skin designer. Anyways, it's not our priority right now, and I'm okay with this skin as of now. One last thing before we explore the JavaScript APIs, which is fallback. We already discussed about this in the last video, but Video.js recommends this one. Let's use this instead of this one. Okay, let's align this. Great. As I said earlier, play button positioning is little weird, right? So let's take care of that. VJS big display centered. Okay, let's give it a shot. Right. And one more thing. Let's add an ID here. Video player. Great. Let's open up the developer tools. Command Option J on Mac, Control Shift J on Windows and Linux. In the last video, we have the JavaScript's native video object, but today we are going to explore the VidyoJS library. Since we have included the VidyoJS in our code, we can able to call the global object, method VidyoJS like this. Okay. Say for example, var video equal to, VidyoJS of video player. You can pass the ID here like this. Even if you add this hash, it won't be a problem. Okay, that's your choice. So it returns a player object. Let's expand this. I know it's overwhelming, but let's concentrate the basic functionalities like play, pause, volume, playback rate, and more. And most of the APIs are very similar, which we discussed in the last video, like video.play. Okay, the action is started right now. And video.pause. Okay, that worked. Let's try video playback rate. Playback rate equal to 5.0, right? Okay. So for that, we need to start the video. Okay, I don't see anything. Okay, let's pause the video. It's because VidyoJS works in a different way. We need to pass all the values in a method call. If we set it like a property, it won't work. Not only that, it will change the real meaning of the playback rate method. Okay, let's refresh this page and start from the beginning. And video.playback rate of 5. So now I'm calling this playback rate method. It's not a property, it's a method here. So don't forget that. And video.play. Great. Now let's reset it. Okay, that's fine. Let's change the current time in the same way. Video.current time. Okay, don't forget, we should pass a value to the method. Instead, we can't treat it like a property like this. Okay, so call a method, pass 1 here. See, it's starting from the beginning. Okay, in the same way, you can modify any of the video player's properties by calling these methods. All you need to do is just type this variable name video, and you will get all the possible things you can do with this. So explore all the methods and skins if you want. In the next video, let me teach you how to add keyboard shortcuts and handling player events. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with others. New guys, consider subscribing. This is Sam signing off.